Hi guys! Let's draw and color a cute Pikachu. First, I'm gonna draw cute eyes. Wow, the Pikachu is dancing. Hey, if you like this Pikachu, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, please.
Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride with